Good evening, everyone. Please just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to everyone or not, whether you are able to watch the presentation and hear my voice clearly. Just let me know in the comment sections. We have 3 students in the class. Let's wait for the students to join in and then we'll start, okay? Okay. Thank you. Let's wait for all the students to join, then we'll start the class. So this is a demo class for the new course that is starting on 9th of January, and this is targeting the June 2023 examination, and we already have a lot of enrollments over there. So every single person who is targeting this particular examination, please join in the course. Make yourself like occupied with this particular course. It would help you out for sure. Okay, so that's a very good number. We have 8 students in the class. Let everyone join, then we'll start. Okay. Okay, so all the other students would join in the time being. Let's begin with our class. Now let me just give you a complete overview regarding what this course is all about, so that you can have an idea regarding like what are we actually going to do in this particular course. First, talking about the complete CSIR UGC NET syllabus. So there are in total 13 units, right? That is from 1st to 12th. In addition, we also have animal physiology. So but because I am from botany background, so we'll be targeting 12 units in a complete stretch, all the most important topic in the best manner possible. We'll be doing all the theory questions, all the theory topics. So we'll be having theory classes every single day. The duration of the class would be 1.5 hour. The timing would be decided according to the students, like whatever they are comfortable in. We'll be having the first introduction class on 9th with the enrolled students. So whatever they are comfortable in, we'll have the classes itself. Either it would be early morning or late in the evening, so it won't hamper your master's classes, like if you're in your master's, or it won't hamper if you're a working profession or you are doing some kind of job anywhere. So do not worry about the schedule. Timing would be matched according to your schedule itself, either early morning or in the evening, and the duration of the class would be 1.5 hour. Live classes, you can chat over there, you can ask your doubts over there. It would be an interactive session every single day. All the theory would be given to you. All the recordings would be provided to you of every single class. Like even if you by mistake you miss out the class, or because of any other thing you miss out the class, the recordings would be given to you. You can watch the classes both on the via your mobile phones or via your laptop. So both way it is functional. It depends upon you how you are comfortable. We'll work accordingly itself. In addition, every second alternate day, like this is the schedule which will be given to the students who have enrolled over there. So we'll be having general aptitude classes on every alternate day, like depending upon the student schedule. Again, we'll have that particular class as well. So every day you will be getting 2 hours of tutoring from my end in the live session. Then hard copy notes. So those students, and we have few students who have already enrolled there in the class itself. So they have already submitted their address with us. They're about to get their first hard copy of the detailed notes that we have. So you'll be getting the hard copy for your notes in 5 to 7 days, depending upon in which state you are. You'll get your notes as well. PYQ session, that is for every unit we'll be having. After the completion of a unit, you'll be having 2 PYQ sessions completely dedicated, like 3 hours for the PYQ questions as well, so that you can analyze what is the mistake that you are doing, what is the problem that you are having in the concept. We'll decide accordingly. In addition, every Sunday you'll be having a weekly test. Like on every Sunday you'll get a test from our end, 30 marks or 50 marks. All the things would be shared with the enrolled students. So every Sunday a weekly test and regular doubt sessions, depending upon if you are finding any problem or if any topic need to be repeated again, it would be repeated to you for your convenience, so that you do not find any difficulty in understanding the concepts. Okay, so these are the main things that you need to remember about the course. In addition, the fees for the course is 3,999, that is, it is 3,999. Okay, in addition, if you are like, if you wish to pay in installments as well, we have an option of installments. Almost every student is opting for installments, so if you wish, you can have the installment option as well for yourself. It would be easy for you and it won't burden you as well. So if you wish to target this examination with full confidence, go for this particular course. You will get every single help from our end, and we already had like 4 courses before of the general aptitude and the theory as well. Every single student was happy with the content that we provided. So this time we are having a full-fledged course, like the complete course would be given to you. We'll be having in total 150 hours of tutoring, and these hours would be divided into the various number of classes, everything dependent upon the students, whatever they are comfortable in. And we'll be starting the course on 9th of January 2023. Okay, we have tried to make the course as affordable as possible for you all. We have the hard copy notes, so in the same amount you need not to pay anything extra. You'll get the hard copy notes as well. In addition, live classes, personal attention would be given to you. So this is the main gist of the complete course. If you wish to have any of your doubt clear, please ask. Otherwise, we'll discuss a small topic so that you can get an idea as well about the complete teaching pattern as well. Okay, any doubt, any problem, please ask in the comment sections. Like if you wish to have any kind of doubt from your end cleared, please ask. And for enrolling, there's a link given to you in the description box. Just click on that link. You'll be able to download the application and then enroll in the course. It starts on 9th of January 2023. Okay, okay Mayank. Others? And we are doing our best, like we are providing the best content possible from our end. Like there's a team complete working for making the content easy and interesting, as well as a quality content for you all. So try to get yourself enrolled in this course and start preparing, because this is the best time for you to prepare. It's January. You'll be free from our end by April mid. Okay, and then you can self prepare. Still you'll be having all the recordings for the complete 1 year with yourself. Do not worry. So even after the course gets over, you will be having the leverage of using all the recorded classes to revise. And even if you feel like having any kind of other help from our end, personal attention is always there from Botany Insider. You can contact me personally anytime. You have the business number as well. You have the application as well. You can text us. Yes, you can buy by installment. The installment price is 1,300 per month. It is 1,300 per month. You can buy from installment. It would be much easier for you. Like most of the students have opted for the enrollments itself. So if you wish, you can have via enrollment, via the installment itself. It is 1,300 plus 68 rupees tax is there. So it is 1,368 in total. Per month you can enroll. It starts on 9th of January. Okay. Any other doubt? Anyone? Okay, so I guess this much is clear to everyone. Let's switch over to a topic and discuss an important topic so that you can get an idea as well and clear out one of your concept. Okay, so now let's discuss about like what biochemistry is all about. See, you all must have or we have targeted the biochemistry from that we have to learn what is an atom, what is proteins, what is amino acids. But before starting anything, like before understanding the concept of the complete unit, the complete point by point concept, first thing is to understand the background, right? And this particular flow chart would help you understand the complete background. First thing is, in biochemistry there are two main concepts. First one is the biomolecules and the second one is the living organisms, and the interaction or how are the biomolecules and the living organisms, how are they actually connected with each other. This is something that we understand in the complete unit. So first, in the biomolecules could either be the simple one or the complex molecules, right? The simple molecules, what are the various simple molecules? First one is the carbohydrate, then we have nucleotides, amino acids and various other ones. When these simple molecules, they connect with each other via a specific bond, what happens? It leads to the formation of the complex molecule. Complex molecule is polysaccharides, nucleotides, proteins, lipids. For example, when the carbohydrates join with the various units, like when one carbohydrate unit, which is a monosaccharide, joins with the other monosaccharide, it leads to the formation of a disaccharide. And when various disaccharides join via a specific bond, it leads to a polysaccharide, right? In the same manner, nucleotides bound to each other via polynucleotides. Then we have the amino acids joining together by the help of the peptide bonds with the and forming what? Forming the proteins, right? Now these proteins and lipids, they are the components of what? They are the components of our membranes. Now this is what is the main biomolecules, like till the point of membranes we have reached. Now let's move on to the second component, that is the living organisms. So these living organisms require nutrients. Why? And for the survival, because obviously if we have nutrients, then only we'll be able to survive. And how? Because these nutrients would be providing ATP in the, that is what? It is the main energy source. Energy would help the organisms to live, correct? Now this energy would help in what? And what is the basic unit of a cell? What the basic unit of living organisms? It is a cell, right? Now these cells could either be the prokaryotes or the eukaryotes. We have all learnt about this thing in our junior classes, where the prokaryotes are the simple organisms, or these are the simpler cells, and on the other hand we have the eukaryotes, where we have the complex cells. Now in this complex cell itself, what do we have? First one is the organelles, then we have the nuclear bound DNA and the cytoplasm. This is the main structure of a cell. So this outer structure, that is the membrane, this membrane is made up of the biomolecules. So now you can relate that how are these organisms and how are these biomolecules interrelated, and how are we actually, or what are we actually going to study in the complete unit, right? See, understanding a specific concept is easy, but understanding the baseline behind it, that why are we actually studying the biochemistry? Bio is related to the living thing or the living organisms and the biomolecules. Chemistry means the interaction between the two. So this is what we actually study in the complete biochemistry, and this is the main thing, or the first thing that you need to like put emphasis upon if you are starting off with any unit. Like the way a specific topic is interrelated. Now see, if I give you a simple example, if you start off with the unit without any background, you will be learning about that, okay, we have amino acids, we have nucleotides, we have carbohydrates, and you start reading about them. Then what happens? Like you will be understanding the concept for sure, but you won't be able to interlink them. You won't be able to have the main chemistry behind them, that why are we actually studying proteins, because proteins are made up of amino acids, and these proteins help in the formation, or they are the main components of our membranes, and these membranes are the outer layer of the cell, which is actually the basic unit of the living organism. So are you able to understand what I'm trying to convey? Like, is there any doubt till here? Whatever I have tried to explain over here, is it clear to you? Yes or no? So this is the reason why you need to have a baseline regarding a specific term, a specific topic. And in the same manner, we'll be starting off with every unit the way the complete course would go. The complete structured schedule and everything would be shared very soon to the students who have enrolled. So this was just a gist of, or a complete like a demo of how we are actually going to initiate our classes. Is it clear to everyone? Clear everyone? Okay, very good. So now let's try to understand a bit about the various bonds. See, we have understood that, okay, we have carbohydrate, we have understood that what is a nucleotide, but let's understand that how does a carbohydrate actually gets converted into a polysaccharide, or how does a nucleotide gets converted into a polynucleotide. Now let's understand a bit about the bonds as well. I have tried to add on that topic so that you can get a complete idea. Okay. See, before even going into that, what or how does a bond is formed, or what are the various bonds, what do you need to understand? You need to understand about the subatomic particle, because obviously we will be having the various atoms joining with each other to form the complete bond, right? You have the atom, then you have the element, then you have the molecule, right? So how does this complete thing get formed? Or in this one molecule, when the two molecules, like the first molecule we have, then we have the second molecule, how does these two get bounded? What is the main, or what are the various types of bonds over there? So talking about the parts of the atom, we have the electron, the proton and the neutron, right? Now where are all these present? So proton and neutron, these two are present inside the nucleus, and then we have the electron, which moves in the various rings that we have around the, or what do we if we call it technically, these are the various shells that we have, right? This is what we study in our class 9th or 10th, where we study the various type of rings. The name is like P ring, Q ring, if you all remember. So these are the electrons, and beyond, inside the complete rings, we have the main nucleus of what? Of the atom, where we have the proton and the neutron, right? Now when one atom and the second atom, they join together, what do they form? They form the element, and these elements forms what? These elements form the various molecules that we have. So now let's understand about the various type of bondings. So let's talk about the chemical bondings. Chemical bonding means how does the two entities actually bound together, or how do they actually bond with each other? They bond via the help of two types of interactions. First one is the covalent bonds, second one is the non-covalent bonds, right? What are covalent bonds? So simply speaking, there are two classifications or two categories. First is the covalent bond. So it is a strong bond and it requires very high bond energy. Now what is a bond energy? Let's understand that. See, you have first and the second atom, right? Now when they are bonded with each other, then if you want to understand that what is a bond energy, it simply means that what is the actual amount of energy required to break this complete bond, to dissociate the two atoms from each other. This is what the bond energy is all about, correct? So what is a bond energy? Bond energy is the energy that is required to break a bond between any two atoms. And when you look into the covalent bonds, so covalent bonds are the ones that have the maximum energy required. Why? Because they are the strongest bond, as we have just understood. See, these are the covalent bonds that are very strong, or we can say these are the strongest bonds, and they required more energy to break the bond, right? Then second one we have the non-covalent bonds. What are these? So the second category is the one of weak bonds, which have lesser bond energy, means they require less energy to break the bond, right? For example, we have the ionic bond, we have the hydrogen bonds, van der Waals forces bonds, hydrophobic interactions, etc. So these are the various or the two classifications of the bond. Okay, so I hope this particular thing is clear to you. Is there any doubt till now? Yes or no? Then I have a very important announcement for you all. Quickly let me know, is there any doubt or not? Then we can have our very important discussion for you all. Very important announcement for you all. Any doubt? Anyone? We have various students in the class. Okay, great. Others? We have various other students. Quickly respond. Great. Great. Now the very important announcement is that tomorrow we have a Insta filter for you all. If you have seen our previous time as well, we have a filter for you all where you can get a special coupon discount, right? So Tomorrow it would be live for you all. You all can use that filter. You all can tag us in your stories over there, and you can get yourself enrolled in the various courses that we have. We have a lot of courses for you all on our application. So if you wish to use that particular thing, you can use it tomorrow. Like in the morning, the filter would be live. We'll notify you all on our YouTube channel. So if you wish, you can have that particular filter used. Okay, so do not forget to watch the complete video tomorrow. It would be live tomorrow. You can use it and enroll in the various courses. Okay, but one thing, the discount that would be given to you via that that complete thing or that complete filter is on the complete amount of every course. There is no installment filter over there. Okay, so if you wish, you can use that filter. Otherwise, you all can enroll in our courses, get yourself registered and prepare very nicely. Okay, so this was about the demo class. If you have any other doubt, please ask. Otherwise, the classes starts on 9th of January. Any doubt, any problem, please ask. Classes starts on 9th of January. Do not forget to get yourself enrolled over there. Okay, and this filter would be given to you for 1 day, so you can use it and grab the opportunity. Okay, any doubt, anyone? And this filter would be like a very interesting thing to use. All you have to do is you just have to scroll, like use the link, you will be directed to Instagram, and after that you can scratch on our Botany Insider logo. This kind of logo would be shown on your screen and you can avail the offer. So this is a very interesting activity which you can do from your end and grab the offer. Okay, so this was about for today's class. I hope to see each one of you in our course. Good luck everyone, take care, and make sure that you remember the date. Classes starts on 9th of January. Today is 6th, so we have just 2 days in between. Make yourself registered over there and book your slots over there. Good luck everyone, take care. If you have any doubt, please ask. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, so this was about for today's class. If you have any other doubt, you can text us. You can download our application and get yourself enrolled. Any kind of problem you have, you can get the problem solved from our end personally, and if you wish, you can have the installment option as well. Good luck everyone, take care.